Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add materials to your report. So in this particular case, I am in a Service 10 report, but this will apply to any report that you're completing. I have hypothetically finished my job and I've completed my report, but before I submit it, it's important that I add materials onto that. So in the top right-hand corner, you can see a spanner icon, and next to that is 3 lines with a plus. We refer to that as the Burger Plus menu. So I will press the Burger Plus, and that's where you can go to your site, plan, add job notes and a house photo. In this case, I am going to go to material. Okay, material comes up blank at this stage, and we're going to add materials in. So in the bottom right-hand corner, we can see the plus orange button. I am going to press that. So here at the top, it says what type of material, then the batch number, the quantity, the mix applied, application rate, equipment used, order, and location. So from the top, we can see that it currently is on ant gel, but if I was to press the arrow down, I can now scroll through all my materials which we use. Just going back before I select material, you can see on quantity, at the moment it says 1, and the unit is GM. So in this case, that is gram. If I was to go to, let's say, Aquamax, you'll notice that the unit measure has now changed to L per litre. And perhaps if I was to go to Astro, you'll see now that it is aerosol relating to your canister. And we may even find, if we go to Mackie blocks, we've got block there as well. So how many blocks have I used? Okay, the most important area to fill out is, as always, your batch number. This is extremely important. Should there be perhaps a product recall or there is a question of the effectiveness by a customer, we can refer to the batch number used. Quantity is straightforward in the case of a Mackie block. Maybe I use 6 blocks throughout the premise. If it was for litres or grams, you would refer to that. It can sometimes require you to work out, if I've used a quarter of a 1 litre bottle, then that is 0.25. Mix applied. Now, this will only be applicable when we are mixing the product ourselves. A lot of our products are already mixed, so that would not need to be completed. And the application rate, again, the same, only when you need to refer to the application percentage that you have done. Okay, we've got equipment used. So in case of a Mackie block, it might be a bait station. If it was a aerosol, the application would be canister. And perhaps in the case of a product that goes by litres, it would be a pump or a spray. I'll leave you to work out what equipment you've used. The next is order. And order is really only applicable when perhaps you've used 2 or 3 products in the same area of the same premise on the same day, and you want to refer to which product you laid down first, second, third, etc. Otherwise, that is not so relevant. And location obviously is relevant, and especially when we're talking about things like bait stations, etc. You may want to say that you'll put, out of 6 bait stations, 3 in kitchen, 1 in study, 2 in garage. So once we've completed that, we can press save, and you'll see that that product is now added to the list. We can press plus again, and we can continue the process and add multiple products. So let's say we've gone 30 grams just for the sake of it, and the location was the porch. And then I save that. We've now got the 2. And if I had made a mistake at any stage, I can press the X in the right-hand side of the item, and I can delete it. Okay. So once that is all done, we'll press our back button. and it will be added to the report at the customer end. They'll be able to see that. Again, that was the Burger Plus menu, material, and there we go. Thank you very much.